Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm sharing a video every single day this month. Today is Sunday, so that means it is Scary Harry Sunday here on my channel. Today I'm actually going to be working in my October daily for Scary Harry Sunday because I did wind up going to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and I want to make sure to document it in my October daily. I will be doing a separate album just for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but I want to put a little bit of it at least in my October daily, as well as the rest of the day that we spent at Universal Studios. So here you can see that I have not started on my October daily album yet. I am so behind. So if you are interested in seeing October daily videos in November, because there's no way, you guys, I'm going to be able to finish this in October. I just have way too much going on. But if you guys still want to see the process of my October daily, even in November, let me know down in the comments. So I'm actually going to skip the very first little page protector here because I will have like my cover page here, and then this will all be the first day that I'm documenting for October daily. I am starting in September because Serena was here and I wanted to include all of her trip in this as well. So I'm going to be skipping these and then starting here with this side of this page, this bag, and then this side of this page protector. So let me go ahead and take all these out and set my album aside. All right, so I figure we'll start here. I have all of my pictures right here and I printed out a bunch of 2x2s. I love using 2x2 pictures. I think they're so much fun, and it gives you just like little snapshots, you know, of your time wherever you were. So I'm just going to kind of randomly place these around because I don't know where I want them yet, and then I'll figure it out. So I'm thinking maybe Hogwarts can go right there. I'm just trying to like space out the pictures with my face in it so that it's not like, I don't know, overdoing it or something. I don't know. Right. And then this is kind of a two-parter picture of when I was getting my wand. I thought that'd be kind of fun to include in here. I need to trim this one down a little bit. This one need to be, no, okay. Thinking maybe something like that would work well. So let me go ahead and just slide all these in here. Sometimes I'll put little journaling spots in the little pockets, or I'll leave some open and put like ephemera or whatever in there, but I'm not going to worry about it on this spread because I want to include as many pictures as I can of the Wizarding World, but I also don't want to take up a ton of space in this album because, like I said, I will be having a whole separate album on it, which I will actually be making a class for. So if you're interested in how to document your time at Universal, whether that's here in California or out in Florida, definitely keep an eye out here on my channel as well as over on Instagram to learn more information about my class once it's getting close to being done. So here I have just kind of a nice overview snapshot of the time that we spent at the Wizarding World. So the Hogwarts Castle, this was in line for the Forbidden Journey. This is Bill and I, Serena and I, Hogwarts Express, Honeydukes, Hagrid's little motorcycle thing. This was part of the Ollivanders show, like entrance waiting area thing. This is me getting my wand, Spency and I, and then the owl post. So I figured this is kind of a nice little overview. So I've got that done. It's just really super simple. Next, I have this little bag that I've gone ahead and punched some holes in. Serena actually gave me this bag, but I'm going to make a little pocket out of this flap right here. So I'm just going to grab some adhesive. Just pop a little bit of it right there. I'm also going to staple it to make sure that things do not move around. So it'll be like that. And then I want to put a piece of decorative paper right here just to kind of cover it up a little bit. Cover up the staples. And then I'll repunch my holes, I think. That little piece of paper. Apply some adhesive. Kind of make it a little bit more Scary Harry. And I'm going to repunch these holes like so. And then I'm going to move on to the pictures real quick. So I will be using these two. This is me, Spence, and Bill in front of the entrance to the Wizarding World. I love this shot. I think it's really fun. We don't usually get a lot of pictures of us together as a family, so Serena took this one for me, and I love it so much. And then I also took this selfie with the conductor of the Hogwarts Express, and you guys, I was crying so much right here. You can't tell. Thank goodness, because of my sunnies, but yeah, it was a moment. It was a moment, and I'll forever love that moment and treasure it. It was so much fun. He was so nice. and made me kind of feel not so crazy for being so like ridiculously excited. I am going to mat these pictures on some plain black cardstock. One, so that I have some room for journaling, but two, also so that it kind of stands out a little bit from this whole situation. So let me go ahead and apply, actually let me make sure that it will still fit in the pocket I made. It's a little bit wide, so let me trim this down a little bit. All right, so that should fit a little bit nicer. Perfect, okay. This will go on this side, like so, and then on the back, I will mat this one, and then I'll have a little bit of room for journaling on here somewhere. Maybe like right there, and then I could put a little bit of washi tape. All right, so that looks like that. Maybe actually I'll put something over here, like Mischief Managed should be really cute. Not a ton of room for journaling though, so maybe I can bring in like one of my journaling cards and slide it in there too. I'll do something like that. That can go right in there. And let's find a little journaling card. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do is I will keep this like in here, and then I will slide the Hedwig card like right behind it, and kind of put her here on the bag itself. And then I can journal right on that. And then the journaling is a little bit hidden for when the card is in there. So that will be like that. So you have to take the card out to see the journaling. I think that will be fine. Let me go ahead and add a little bit more washi tape to help tie everything together. Go like that. Kind of want to put some up here, but I feel like that's too much. Let's see, maybe we can find a cute die cut to put here. Kind of like the Always. Maybe something just really simple. Like that. All right, I think that's pretty cute. All right, so that is the front of my little thing. Maybe I'll add some jemmies. Alright, so I think that will work. And this will be on the back. And there will be journaling right there, which I will do off screen. And then on the back, I'm going to add some pictures from the Halloween Horror Nights, because we were there for that. So these are a couple of pictures of Spency at the scary parts of the park where I was not. Bill and I were hiding out in a Starbucks because we don't like jump out scary type things, so we were hanging out, and Spence and Serena went and did all the haunted mazes and all that. So there's a picture of him with his favorite haunted maze guy, and then I just liked this one. I thought it was really fun, so I'm going to put those on the back there, but I think I'm going to mat these as well to kind of help tie it in to the other side of the bag, but also again so I have some room for journaling. That one will go on there, like so. And then you're like, Danny, what about the journaling? Well, one of these is going to be like a flippy one. So let's see. So I want this one to be here, I think. So something like that. And then some more washi tape. That will go there. And then this one will be held in place with the washi tape, and the journaling can go on the back side of it. So I love making interactive elements in my albums, and this is kind of a fun way to include one that's a little bit more hidden. Go like that, and then this flips open and there's room for journaling on there. Though I was thinking of putting one of these guys on here because Spency does not like spiders, they freak him out, so I was like, oh, that'd be really funny to have like something that actually does scare him on there, but maybe I'll do it. I think it's kind of funny. All right. Because he was not scared at all. He loves scary movies, he loved the haunted mazes, he loves all of that stuff. So I think it's kind of hilarious that spiders freak him out. I think I've mentioned it before that he does not like spiders. He does not like them. They freak him out a lot. And yeah, he's basically Ron Weasley, so there's that. So I was thinking of putting a little spider guy up there, maybe one down here. I think that's all of them that I have cut out so far. And then maybe one down here. kind of hidden. Ah, there it is. Alright, so this one is actually covering up the hole a little bit. So I'm gonna move him. Alright, maybe some more little jemmies would be fun. And like that. Again, just keeping things really simple. So it'll be like that. And then inside of this, I'm actually going to include the little pamphlets. So this is one from the Halloween Horror Nights, and it has like a huge map that folds out and all sorts of stuff. And then this one is about Universal with like a whole page about the Wizarding World. So I've got that. So these can go in here like so. And then I have one more page. So I've got this picture of Spency eating this giant donut, which is crazy. It was huge. He was so excited about it. Such a boy. And then I'm going to use this journal card, so it has some pumpkins on it. I'm just going to slide that in there as well, so you can do a little bit of extra journaling if we want. Actually, maybe I'll add some washi tape. Go in there like that. And then this bottom one I'm actually going to make into a shaker, I think. So I've got this piece of chipboard here, and I have our little wristbands. I need to kind of trim them down a little bit. Alright, so I have this little mix right here. So there's a whole bunch of different little things in here. Little ghosties, spiders, bats, orange, gold, silver, polka dots. All sorts of fun stuff. So I'm just going to slide this in here. The bottom, I think. If you guys are having issues with your fuse tool, or you're not sure how to use it, or you want to learn my tips and tricks, I do have a real-time video where I share tips and tricks and how I use the fuse tool and all that kind of stuff. So there we go. And I'm gonna keep it out because I will need it again. So there's my fun little shaker stuff. You can see there's all sorts of fun things in there. And then I'm going to slide these guys in here as well. Put one backwards too, that way you can see it from the other side. That'd be kind of fun. And then I'm going to fuse this up as well. I was thinking of making just one big pocket with all of this just in one, so everything could kind of float around, but I could just see everything sinking to the bottom, and I didn't want that. So that's why I'm doing kind of two little pockets. All right, so there is that. Is that page. And then that will be the back. So I definitely like how you can see both of them. Although I wish this one was a little bit more crooked. It's fine, whatever. It is what it is. And then I would like to find a place for this little piece of washi so I don't waste it. I am going to add a couple more things to this page. So I have this card. It says trick or treat yourself, which I think is perfect for Spency with his donut. I'm going to trim it down so I can make like a little tag out of it. I think maybe I will get some washi tape. It through and try to make like a little pull flag thing out of the washi tape if I can figure out how to do it. Okay, add a little bit of adhesive in the back just to make sure things stay put. Okay, so something like that, and then I don't have to worry about ribbon or anything like that. I don't really care if the back is funky. That is what that looks like. Okay, and that can look like that. And then on the back of this little tag, I pulled this sticker off of the donut box. Like you can see the sticker right there on the plastic. So I just pulled it off, cut it out, and I'm just going to adhere it to the back here, just so that there's like a little bit of ephemera on there, because might as well. It's kind of a fun interactive thing. That will be like that. And then can go in there like so. It's pretty cute. And then I was thinking of adding this little bat here on the front to use up some of this space right here. I think that'd be kind of fun. And I do like adding things to the outsides of pockets sometimes because it adds another layer of detail and interest. So this page is done. So let me grab my album real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and put these things in my album. So I did forget to put some kind of date or something on here, but that's okay. I know this was the second day, and maybe I can like write it back here or something. Like, it's totally fine. So I have the first page right here, all about Hogwarts, and then this is still about Hogwarts. So there's the picture, there's the back, room for journaling, that just slides right in there. On the inside of the bag, I have the pamphlets for the Wizarding World as well as Halloween Horror Nights. Just goes right there. This is about Halloween Horror Nights. There's room for journaling over here. And then this is the final kind of spread for this second day. I don't anticipate every single day in this album having so much stuff in it, but this was kind of a big day and I wanted to make sure that everything was well represented and kind of covered. So I thought about it and I figure while I have you guys here with me, I might as well just go ahead and add the date. So we went to Universal on September 26th. I have mentioned that this album will be a little bit in September as well as all of October. And I'm fine with that because I wanted to put all of Serena's trip in here. There's that. And then I will just keep this little roller stamp with all of my October daily stuff. That way I can continue using it throughout the whole album. So that is it for Scary Harry Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this turned out really cute. I like the mix of the actual like visiting Harry Potter world and using some Harry Potter things from my collection. So if you're interested in getting the Scary Harry collection for yourself, you can do so. My shop is linked down below and it is currently on sale as of when this video is posted. So if you want it for 25% off, use the link below and get it for yourself and add it to your October daily album. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!